Hi everyone, it's Jess here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to share with you another idea to transform a normal shirt into this ruffle hem skirt. Here's the shirt before the transformation. Make sure the width of the shirt you choose have to be bigger than your hip size. The first step is removing the front pocket. After that, I'm drawing a horizontal line at the end of the shirt. From that line, I go up at 35 centimeters and draw another horizontal line. It's the length of the skirt that you want, minus 10 centimeters. I use the fabric from two ends of the shirt to make the ruffle hem for the skirt. At the other edge, I overlock to protect my cutting. Then I'm making a loose seam at the edge I just overlock. Keep one thread and pull another one to create the ruffle. Make sure the width of the ruffle in the end has to be the same with the width of the skirt. Now I'm connecting the ruffle to the end of the skirt. Use the pins to fit them together, then sewing. at the top of the skirt. I mark at 4 centimeters inside from two sides. I make the second mark at 20 centimeters at the side line after. Then drawing a curved line to connect two marks together. After sewing, I try the skirt on to measure the waist of the skirt to fit my body. Remember to mark where you measure to make the dash later. Based on my mark, I'm making the dot by drawing two triangles facing each other. The width of the triangle is a half between two marks I make. The length of the triangle is 25 centimeters. Then folding two triangles together and sewing. Installing the button and making the buttonhole at the top of the skirt. And I finished this DIY. Here's the final transformation. This skirt is very easy to mix with a white t-shirt or a turtleneck t-shirt for this season. I hope you like this idea and subscribe to my channel to not miss out my upcoming one. See you next week!